dear students. Today we are going to learn another property of polygons, that is exterior angle property. The sum of exterior angles of a polygon. If you take any polygon, the sum of exterior angles will remain constant. So let us see what it will be with the help of two examples. Here we have a quadrilateral. All the interior angles are given. We have already learned that the interior angle and the exterior angle in any polygon will form what it will form? A linear pair. So here if this angle is 100, what will be the measure of this angle? This will be 80. Now if this is 95, this angle will be, these two angles together it will form 180 degree. So it will be 180 minus 95, that is 85. Similarly, here you have 80. So the next exterior angle will be 100. And here you have 85, so it will be 95. Now let us find what will be the total measure of all exterior angles. See, first one is 80, 85, 100 and 95. Add 10, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 10, 26, 2 plus 1, 3. So in this case we got exterior angle 1 plus exterior angle 2 plus exterior angle 3 plus exterior angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. Let us see here. This is a hexagon. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles are given. And all exterior angles we have to find out. Same principle to use, that is sum of interior and exterior angle is 180 degree. So if this is 100, this will be 80. This is 120, so 60. 130, so 50. Again 100, so it will be 80. And this is 140, so this will be 40. And this will be 50. Let us add all exterior angles. What do you get? 60 plus 50 plus 80 plus 40 plus 50 plus 80 plus 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us find out. 60 plus 50, 110. Plus 80, 190. 230. 280. And then 360. Now, if you wish, you can also take 3 or 4 polygons of different sides. Find the interior angles and then find the exterior angles. You will come to know that the sum of exterior angles of any polygon, even if it has 100 sides, the total measure of exterior angles of any polygon will be 360 degree. Now we learned that the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degree. Now we are going to solve exercise 3.2 using these concepts. Let us see. The first question is find x in the following figures. You see here the figure is a triangle and 3 exterior angles are given. One angle is 125, the second is 125, the third angle is not given. How will you find out third angle? Which property will you use? Angle sum property, exterior angle sum property. So how will you write? By exterior angle sum property. exterior angle sum property, what do you get? 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x degree is equal to 360. So when you add this, what do you get? 125 plus 125, 250 degree plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 minus 250. How much is it? 110 degree. So x is equal to 110 degree. Same concept here. Here, this angle is, this side shows 90 degree. So let us write that. This shows 90 degree. Here this angle we have to find out. Here interior angle is given. Exterior angle is not given. What is this symbol? It is for 90 degree. So what will be this angle? This also will be 90 degree. So by exterior angle sum property, what do you get? 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus x plus 70 is equal to 360 degree. Now add all this. See, 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 60, 240. 240 plus 70, 310 plus x equal to 360 degree. Now what is the value of x? X is equal to 360 minus 310, which is equal to 50 degree. So x is equal to 50 degree. The next question is, find the measure of each of the following, each of the exterior angles of a regular polygon of 9 sides. What do you mean by regular polygon? A polygon which has all sides equal and all angles are also equal. So if all angles are equal, then all exterior angles also will be equal. And we know that the sum of all exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. So by exterior angle sum property, how many angles will be there? If 9 sides are there, how many angles will be there? Sum of 9 exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, measure of each angle, each exterior angle is equal to 360. If 9 angles measures 360, so one angle measures 360 upon 90, that is 40 degree. Each angle will measure 40 degree. Only in case of regular polygons. Only when the polygon is regular, regular means all sides are equal, then all angles will be equal. So all exterior angles also will be equal, then we can do this. Okay. Similarly, here we have 15 sides. So by exterior angle sum property, sum of 15 angles. 15 which angles? Exterior angles. will be equal to 360 degree. Therefore, measure of each angle, each exterior angle will be equal to 360 upon how many sides? That to divide 15. So what will you get? Which is equal to 360 divided by 15. If you 15 2s are 30. Now what is left? 6. 60. 15 4s are 60. So each angle will be 24 degree. If you don't know directly to divide, you can divide here 360 divided by 15. 15 2s are 30. When you subtract 6, bring this down 60. 15 4s are, you can divide it. Okay, so how to find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon? Divide 360 degree by the number of sides. Why it is 360 degree? Because the total measure of all exterior angles of any polygon will be always equal to 360 degree. That's all for today. In the next class, we will work out the remaining questions from this exercise. Thank you.